Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate pie, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare your crust while you assemble ingredients. Beat eggs and sugar, then whisk in cocoa and melted chocolate until smooth. Gently fold in cream and pour into crust, then bake or chill according to your chosen method. I'll guide you through timing, texture cues, and simple tips to get a silky, rich filling every time. For the filling, warm your cream gently and pour it over chopped chocolate to melt evenly. Stir until silky and smooth. Temper the eggs by whisking a little hot chocolate into them before combining to prevent scrambling. Add vanilla or a pinch of salt to elevate the chocolate notes, then fold gently to preserve creaminess. This approach gives a glossy, stable filling that sets well without cracking or weeping when sliced. If baking, blind bake the crust for a short time to prevent sogginess, then pour in filling and return to the oven if required. For no-bake versions, chill the pie in the refrigerator until firm and sliceable. Use a warm knife wiped between cuts for neat slices and serve with whipped cream or shaved chocolate. I'll explain timing and visual cues so you can choose baking or chilling confidently for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.